Hey you, I am going to do a refrigerator haul today with some face mask. So I am Camille, welcome to my channel, and let's get started and get a closer look at these beautiful, not used, new, and returns I have tried back. They look nice, don't they? Let's start. So, first is this belly mask. Haven't tried it. Very nice. It's for firming, smoothing. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Rub in the solution and boom, bang, you're good. Then we have these. This is how it all started. I used to do peels when I was younger, and this little pomegranate peel off for your skin was my first, and then I think this might have been my second or third one I tried when I was younger, but it might have been this one. This ginger and tea was my second one I've tried. So these were my first face mask I've used. Now I kind of dabbled into some male face mask for men. It looked nice, and it was blue, and I just grabbed it, and I didn't know it was for men's. So, but this guy, he doesn't look like a man. Anyway, I'm sorry, but it's just my opinion. Okay, here's another one, a charcoal one. This was the only paper mask I saw, and it was charcoal, and everyone was hyped up about that, so I grabbed it. Then I found this other charcoal mask, and I thought, why not? There's a spatula involved, and of course it has detoxifying, calming, hydrating elements involved, and very nice instructions in the back. So I grabbed it. Then you got the dollar store, 99-cent store products with this anti-puff and dark circle eye mask, which I've tried once before and I did not break out, which was a plus. Very good. And then this guy, and all, I tried it before and I've broken out from it, so I'm allergic to something in the product. But it has two products mask in the box. It was only $1, so I could give it to someone, put it on someone, give someone a facial with this stuff, and let that be. Then I got this when rose gold was popular as well. Have not used it, but has some tightening complexion brightness involved, and it has 4 pieces in there, and it's reusable up to 2 times. Now, this one, I've tried By Nature products on my mom. She loved them. They were very hydrating, but this is a different type. I have yet to try their products, but if my mom approves it, I will approve it, because we both have similar skin type, I think, anyway. And then I thought I was done for a little bit, but I wanted to show you another, like, fan wave or a swoosh, and then up close and personal you get to see them one more time before it's almost over. So I like the peels more than the muds, and I'm into the paper mask, but I heard the gel mask are much more hydrating for the body or the skin you're applying it onto. But I have yet to use one of those, because this has been months since I've used a face mask, and I'm also waiting for the right time, which probably should be this time, but we'll see. Maybe I will someday. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I still have something to show you, because I forgot one little guy. Shea Moisture Hydrating Mud Mask. This is probably the only one I have, kind of, not really, but yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and embrace joy. Stay safe as always. Enjoy my little crazy blooper video screen. So yeah, I'm a little okay. Bye.